Hi, Howard. Hi, Pandy. Hey, can you whistle? Whistle. Hey, why are you not whistling? You were whistling like a minute ago. Crazy bird. You just don't want to do on video, huh? You know I'm going to put this on YouTube, right? Because he's smart, guys. He knows. Cause he stopped because he didn't want me put that on YouTube. He didn't want his face on YouTube. Like, hey, bird. I already did a couple videos on that video. I put it on YouTube. So you like that, huh? Penny is just eating. Howard, I know you're mad at me now. You're mad? Let me see, he's mad. Hey, why are you not talking to me? Ah, he is mad at me. Wow. I love him though. Aw, you guys eating together? That's so cute. Aww. Go for the top pandy, huh? And go, Howard's going for the bottom one. Mm-hmm. Howard. Hi. Hello, y'all. How you doing today? Hey, Pandy, you want to say hello to YouTubers? There you go. Good job, Pandy. She knows. What? Alright, well, you want to say goodbye? Say please subscribe and comment down below if you love my videos. Wow, you guys are too busy eating, so I will say it. Okay, guys, well, please subscribe and comment down below if you love my videos. I'll see you guys around. Peace out, y'all. Say bye. Bye. You're not saying it. I'm going to say it.